Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can fix the issue of Samsung account password being forgotten. So for that you need to open up your settings, and after that you will be able to see the option of Samsung account on the very top. Since I'm using MI phone, so I don't have it, but you will find Samsung's account on the very top. Just click on it and then click on forget password, and after that you will have to enter your email address and then click on reset password, and an email will be sent to you. Just open up your Gmail, and in the Gmail you will find an email from Samsung. Just click on it and click on reset account password. You will find the reset link over there. Just click on it and then you will be redirected to a page where you can enter your new password. Just enter your new password and save it, and after that you will be able to log in with your new password into your Samsung account. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.